Welcome to Alchemistry. So this video is about IIT JEE, Mains, Advanced and NEET. So those who are aspirants at Advanced, they will give, and then NEET. So first of all, very first, this is the introductory video. First of all, what to choose, how to choose, which part is more important, what is the weightage percentage, this type of thing is incorporated in this video. So through this video, those who are going to start the preparation, how they will start, from where they will start, which parts are more important, which are the most marks carrying part, these are the things what we will discuss first, then we will go for the strategy. First of all, as you all know, JEE Mains Advanced, these are the engineering for engineering aspirants and NEET for medical aspirants. And suppose you want to go towards the engineering, then I will suggest you to give more preference to mathematics part, and if you want to go to the medical side, then give more preference to the biology part. Okay, first thing. Then we are having first in the chemistry, when we are studying the chemistry, we can bifurcate the whole thing in two types. One based upon the organic, inorganic, physical, and another part is the weightage or the importance of the chapter. So first, you have to understand what is the basic difference, what is the basic question pattern difference in between JEE Mains Advanced and NEET. The whole syllabus I have given in the description box, you can download from there, and the regulation also. And about the basic question the pattern, that also you can get from the question paper. But the basic thing what we are going to discuss is the weightage, is the basic difference. Basic difference means, let's take any one of the exam like IIT JEE Mains. First you have to qualify the mains, then you will appear that advanced, then you can go for the IIT. First, if we go for the mains, we are having physical, inorganic, organic in all the three cases, in main, advanced and NEET, in all the three cases. First, in part of main, suppose we are taking the organic. In physics, in mains, advanced and NEET, in all three cases, organic part is very, very important. You can't miss organic. Organic is the most important thing. But the difference is, when we are going for main, here we are studying mainly the organic reagents, the named reactions, the particular biomolecules. For the biomolecules oxidation reduction, which reagent is required. For the named reaction, which reagent required, what is the starting material, what will be the product, the reagent based study. But when we will shift towards the advanced and NEET, for JEE Advanced and NEET, we have to go for the stereo part also. What is the stereo part? Like RS nomenclature, above plane, below plane, attack. SN1, that 2 configuration we can get. For SN2, inversion of configuration. Fischer projection, Newman projection. So the whole stereochemistry also incorporated in that part. Then, if we go for the biomolecules, suppose for mains, we are studying the biomolecules, reagent basis, the structure only. But when we are going for the advanced and NEET, above plane, which OH will go above plane, which OH will go below plane, pyranose, furanose structure. So all the thing will come in 3-dimensional approach. So this is the thing for the difference. This is the difference between mains, advanced and NEET in part of organic. Now let's come to the physical. If we go for the physical part, if you see the JEE Mains, Advanced and that NEET, all the three cases chemical kinetics is important. But for NEET, solution part important as well. So there are more questions are coming from solution parts also. If you study any 5 years, 6 years question, you can see solution part is important, as well as electrochemistry is also important. But if we go for JEE Mains and Advanced, there also chemical kinetics important, solution is important, but less questions are coming from solution, electrochemistry, but more weightage we are getting from chemical kinetics and thermodynamics. If you go for advanced, there also chemical kinetics, thermodynamics, but the thing is differentiated by, in mains you are getting a little less conceptual. It means you know the equation, you can apply, you can do you know the concept, you can do in the advanced, you know the equation, you can do in the mains. So in advanced, more conceptualized, more basic, more deeper concept will come in advanced. Okay, next shift to the inorganic. If we go for the inorganic, first of all, in mains, the VSEPR, valence bond theory, the shape, structure, hybridization is important. But if we go for the advanced, there also the same thing is important. But structure, bonding, geometries, these are important in case of that thing advanced and NEET. And for mains, structure bonding is important as well as dipole moment concept. This part also important, whether dipole moment concept is not that much important in case of advanced. Next, if I go for a very important topic, that one is coordination chemistry. Coordination in chemistry is important for mains, advanced as well as for NEET, all three cases. But when we are going for mains, coordination chemistry, mostly the structure is important. The compound, which compounds are coordination chemistry, the metal, the orbital, that number of electron present in the d orbital, that thing. But if we go for advanced, in advanced level you can see from coordination chemistry 3 type of question may come: isomerism, magnetism, and the shape or the geometry. And the isomerism is important for mains, advanced and NEET, whether the magnetism part and the shape geometry of coordination chemistry is more important in case of advanced level. Then if we go for the other type of concept, like many very important topic is practical based question. Suppose we are adding any reagent, we are getting a product, so how much yield will be, how much we are getting, what will be the percentage of the product we are getting by precipitated formula. So practical based question. Or suppose we are doing the titration, what type of plot will be, the practical based question will be important all three cases: advanced, mains, advanced and NEET, all three cases. Okay, so next, the rest of the inorganic part means basic periodic variation, basic or that particular metal, what type of electronic configuration, what type of nature, what type of oxide is that, what will be that sulfonic, particular phosphorus oxide or sulfonic oxide structure. These are all important for all three cases, but this you have to study through 11-12. I would suggest you first complete the 11-12 syllabus very well, and then you see that if we go for the most important chapter. Suppose you are studying from organic, so let's pick out any one of the chapter. For organic, actually all the basic concept, reagents and biomolecules is important for all three cases. Basically stereo is important, most important case of NEET and advanced. Suppose inorganic you are starting, I will suggest you to start from coordination chemistry, most important chapter. Suppose you are studying physical, then start from either thermodynamics or chemical kinetics. This is important in all three cases. Then we are having the difference. Now if we want to go for class 11 base and class 12 base chapter, syllabus you can see, syllabus is given in the description box, that you can see by yourself. Syllabus I will not repeat, but the things which you can miss, suppose we are going for 11. First, from 11 take the molarity normality concept very well, very important. Then atomic structure is also from 11. Then equilibrium from 11. Basic organic chemistry from 11. P block, when you are studying the periodic variation and block elements, this is also from 11, from inorganic. Suppose we are going for that 12th part. In 12th part, let's start from first basic thing, that is the inorganic part. Coordination chemistry, very important. From physical, chemical kinetics is very important. Okay, from class 11, thermodynamics also important. Now chemical kinetics important from class 12 part, and from class 12 part organic chemistry is very important. Whether you go for the basic part, aldehyde, ketone or acid part, or nitrogen compound or biomolecules, these are all important. And if you are studying NEET point of view, then biomolecules and basically everyday life chemistry means medicines, that part is more important. As you are studying from biology point of view, so it will be helpful for you and you can get it easily. So these are the all basic difference what we can see, and we can segregate it by weightage, number of how many more number of questions we are getting. The important chapter I have mentioned from organic, physical and inorganic, which are the important chapters which you need not to miss. First start from this chapter. You can start if you are starting from organic in particular, I have mentioned inorganic and physical, start from these chapters, and then you can segregate it by part of inorganic, organic, physical, or else class 11 part, class 12 part. So this is the introductory video. Next we will go for the strategy, and then we will start chapter wise, weightage wise, importance wise we will study it. If you have liked this video, if you think that being with me will be helpful for you to get prepared, to be prepared for JEE mains, advanced or NEET, then be with me. If you have liked this video, like it. If your friends are also preparing the same, then share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and I am definitely having will help you, and I will make videos regularly, and I will make a different playlist of that competitive exam. And be with me, and for this video, that much only. Thank you for watching.